Okay, the first site I want to go over with you guys is IXL. It's IXL.com. Okay, IXL.com is a math site. It has great flash games for students to practice their skills. This would be something great if you don't have time to do it in the school day or during the school day. Make sure the kids know about it so that they can practice things at home and they'll enjoy themselves doing it. It goes all the way to 8th grade. They're working on algebra and geometry as well. They also have the state standards for all of the states, at least I believe they're all there. I didn't actually count them, and including Nevada. So if we click on Nevada, you can see what the standards are for K through 8. Alright, I'm going to back up and let's just pick 5th grade for instance. We'll just say let's look at all the skills in 5th grade, and you can see them that they're pretty plentiful. Okay, so let's just randomly pick one. Let's say I don't know, let's do add, subtract, fractions. It says subtract and simplify your answer. So you put in, what you would do is you put in your answer, which is going to be and submit. Okay, you keep score on the side, tells you your time as well. Okay, alright, so let's go back. Let's try 7th grade. Estimate sums and differences. There you go. Okay, so they've got tons of great content on here. Great resource if you teach elementary school or you teach middle school math, and soon we'll get some high school stuff in here too. Okay, the next website I want to show you guys is called academicskillbuilders.com. Okay, now I know this looks like another elementary type math site, and it is. They do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, money. This one's going to be a lot of fun for kids to play, and they can play against each other in this one as well. But it also has language arts. Okay, so let's just try this one right here, Furious Frogs. And you click play. It gives you the instructions on how to play, and then continue. And you can put your player number, randomly generated name is fine, but you can put your own name in, and then create. You can join a game, or you can create a game. So this is how they could play against each other if they wanted to as well. If you're a player, you want to create a game for you and your friend, you create a game, and then the other players can join in once I believe they'll get like a link to click on, and then they can add themselves to the game. Okay, yes, very cool. Students will love this. So if you have some computer lab time and you're not sure what to do with it, start building some confidence up and get yourself down there and see if you can get some of these games in, get them introduced to the students, and then hopefully they can play them on their own as well. But basically, like in this math game or the math games, I know if you're playing against somebody, you're either playing against a real person or the computer. The faster you respond, like for math facts, the better your car, or the faster your car goes, like in this particular game right here. So the better your skills and the more efficient you are, the better your car or ship or whatever it is will perform. So it's really competitive as well. Okay, here you can even see that they have best times, top scores for today. Okay, students will like it. Make sure they have access to it. Okay, this next site I want to share with you is called LitToGo, and I can't even, it's from the University of South Florida. You can see USF, University of South Florida.edu. But basically what these are books that are no longer in copyright. But what you can do is, let's just browse by author. Let's just go to P for Edgar, or for Poe. And we should have Edgar Allan Poe right here. Here you see his works. Let's pick on El Dorado because it's in the middle, and it tells you about the book. You can actually download support material, and you can actually download the story right here. So if you have students that want to, you could add them. You could give them access to this. Students could download this for on their iPod or media player. Or they could just come here and listen to it on their own.
El Dorado by Edgar Allan Poe.
hoping you can hear
Gaily
that.
bedight a gallant knight in sunshine and in shadow had journeyed long singing a song in search of.
So this is a great resource. They have a lot of great authors. You can search by author, by title, by reading level, subject matter. This is great for English, okay? Language arts. Alright, now this website is called forteachers.org, and you can see actually it's already has academic skill builders is already on this. I'm only going to point out one more on here, but I figure if you really like it you can come back and take a look at it, because there's several others to choose from here. But I'm going to click on QuizStar. And QuizStar used to be something you had to pay a little fee for or whatever, but now you don't again. If you click on instructor's site right here, it explains that it's again going to be free of charge. You have to set up an account, and basically what QuizStar is you can build your quizzes online, and then students could actually log in and take the quiz for whatever it is you set up right on the internet. Okay, that's just one of the several features. There's other activities and things on here that are got potential for you to use within your classroom and for students to use. Alright, this is learner.org interactives. I almost don't even know where to begin with this one. Basically, you're going to have to show up here and pick out your subject area and go for it. Looks like it's mostly secondary or high school type activities, but I wouldn't be surprised if you find some elementary activities as well. You've got math here in yellow, language interactives here in red, science in green, and history down here in the bottom corner. Let's pick on Middle Ages. It says grades 9 through 12. And basically you have different kinds of activities that they can take part in. This particular one, if you hit enter here, it tells you all about different kinds of things about the Middle Ages, the religion, homes, clothing, health, arts, and so on. Okay, we're going to backtrack out of here. I want to get back to the home page. Alright, that was one, and you can see that they have, oh, here's grades 5 through 8 for United States history. Here's cinema and the arts down here. This is a great website to go to if you're looking to supplement some of your material or curriculum and see if you can get students interested in the site and some of the activities. Alright, a lot of people already know about FreeRice, but in case you don't, freerice.com, great place for you to come and work on your vocabulary. You can change subjects as well. This one's set for English, but we can also do math, geography, foreign language. You got your English, chemistry, and humanities. So whatever you set it for, here let's list multiplication tables. And now I'm going to get math facts. If I go back over here and go to let's do Spanish, we get our vocabulary practice in Spanish. Basically it works as the ones that you get right, you add 10 grains of rice to the bowl and somebody donates this to needy countries. Okay, again, good place for you to go. You can actually even have it set to your level, so once you figure out what vocabulary level you are, you can set it to a level and practice at that level. This website is Kids National Geographic's. It's their version of the magazine that they send out into the classrooms. It has all kinds of activities and videos, games, and interactive things. A fantastic site for elementary school kids. Okay, they even have a section up here that says little kids. If I click on, I'm going to jump right to time for kids as well. Same format. This one's all the way from K to 6th grade. Same thing, has activities, interactive information, videos, all kinds of good stuff here as well. Please come and check them out if it's something that you'd be interested in. Again, that's timeforkids.com and nationalgeographic.com. Kids. This site's great for classrooms that have ESL students in them. Great resource. I'll try to do it as quickly as I can. this site's got lots of great stuff. I'm going to skip to English quizzes on here, and then it's going to want to know what kind of quizzes you're looking for, and they got beginner, intermediate, and so on, and what kinds of quizzes that you're interested in. Let's say we're going to do few and little, and basically it's a quiz for students that are ESL to practice their use of language. Okay, so if you have ESL students, this is a must check out. Okay. Okay, this next site is Vocabulary. This is elementary based, but it's several different games, several different skills. For instance, here's an idioms game. We could do food slang. I'm just randomly picking. And then you match the lines, you start the game. Okay, which one means eat your heart out? And that should be these two. Okay, and then you go on and you can check your answers. I probably didn't do very well as I only answered one question, or you must have to answer them all. Alright, so anyway, lots of games, lots of skills to practice. Please come check this out if you teach English language arts, especially in the elementary area. Lots of different games, all the skills on the side. I have to make double sure that you've actually checked out the Khan Academy. Awesome resource. If I go to khanacademy.com and I scroll down here, here is all of your algebra videos, algebra 1 videos. Yes, these are all videos. Basic arithmetic, banking and money. Here's your into science, brain teasers. There's calculus, on and on and on and on. They have produced many videos here. Let me just randomly click here, multiplying decimals. All very good instruction, all ready for you to embed into your class website or just refer students to, so that they can take and have these skills repeated at home.
What is the cost of 14.6 gallons of gasoline at $2.70 per gallon? So we have 14.6 gallons, 14.6 gallons, and each gallon is going to cost $2.70. Or we could even view $2.70 as $2.7. So let's just multiply it times 2.7. It makes things a little bit simpler. And I
the
think
videos are very well done. Great place for students to come to review concepts that they've learned in class, or maybe to review. I'm still scrolling down through them. He is continually making more and more content. Now we're into history. Just a super resource. Please make sure you check it out.